Tired of trading priceless family moments with the hard days of work. My name is Henning. I'm from South Africa. I'm 59 years old. I want to share a couple of things for you. I've been working for the last 37 years, mostly in the retail. And there were some days that I was always on time. And then one day you're late. And then you need to hear, but you're late. Why are you late? But you had a flat wheel and you needed to change the tire. Or you've got a sick child and you need to take them to the doctor. And you need to ask off for the morning or the afternoon whenever you can get an appointment. Can you relate to that? What did your boss say? No, it's fine, no problem. Take as long as you want. No. When will you be back? Overtime. On short notice, you get instructed to work overtime. Can you relate to that? What happened? Did you get pay? Did you do your work with a good heart? Or did you do it with, you gave me short notice, I'm not going to put in so much effort? How make you feel? You're getting to work every morning. You've been doing it for how many years? And you don't know how to get out of it. Now, I've got the solution for you, my friend. In November of 2024, I stumbled upon the Legacy Builders program, where it taught me how to put content on social media. It taught me how to use the internet, where there's people using the internet 2 to 3 hours a day. There's 6 billion people just on the internet. Put that content on. In the e-learning industry, you sell products that are in high demand and you make 100%. So if you want to get out of your job and you want to know more, put more in the comments and I'll be happy to send you the information that you can have a better life.